Hello everybody, this is me Nitibha Kaul and I am so excited because I'm currently at the airport off to Bombay for Lakmé Fashion Week, which is going to be super exciting. And here's my suitcase, and this is the Suitcase Insider with SSBeauty. So let's find out what I'm carrying to Fashion Week. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my hotel room here in Bombay. Come along. So as you all know, Lakme Fashion Week this season is happening in Bombay and I have packed my entire life into a suitcase, and obviously that's not easy because airlines have luggage limits, and for Fashion Week you need all the options possible. So I thought it would be fun to show you guys what my essentials are. Well, you are seeing all my jewelry and bags here, but that's not what this video is going to be about. This video is going to be about my skincare and my makeup essentials. So come follow me to my bedroom where I have unpacked my luggage to show you what all I've carried and is super duper essential if you, like me, are going to Fashion Week or any other important occasion in your life. Alright, so let's start with my skincare pouch. Now please understand that without good skin, your makeup can never look amazing. So your skin prep needs to be on point. First up, I obviously have to cleanse my face, and I use the L'Oreal Glycolic Bright Cleansing Foam. Now I really love this product because it has glycolic acid. It really exfoliates your skin, and after all of that heavy makeup, you need a product that gently exfoliates your skin. Now after you've cleansed your face, it's obviously important to replenish it with some nutrients, and one product that's been my holy grail has to be the Innisfree Green Tea Seed Serum. Guys, I cannot stop raving about this product. It is so moisturizing. It has hyaluronic acid, 5 times the power of hyaluronic acid, and green tea tribiotics, which basically hydrate your skin, give it instant glow, and really replenishes the moisture barrier. Love this product, must try. After you do your serum, obviously you need to moisturize. Even people with oily, acne prone skin like me have to moisturize, guys. Do not skip your moisturizer ever. It does not feel heavy or cakey. It's super duper lightweight, smells amazing, and does not make your skin feel sticky, and sits very well with makeup. And that is one thing that I absolutely need for Fashion Week because makeup is the hero here. Alright, and of course, how can we skip sunscreen? Be it Fashion Week, be it a wedding, be it a vacation, or be it a regular day in your life, you cannot skip sunscreen, guys. And that's why I love using this one. It's the St.Botanica SPF 50 sunblock. It's actually a face and body sunscreen, so I love it during Fashion Week because I don't have to carry 2 separate sunscreens for the face and the body. I obviously have to end my skin prep routine with a very moisturizing and hydrating lip balm. And for Fashion Week, I actually like something that also adds a little color to my lip because I obviously don't want my lips to look pale even when I'm using a nude lipstick, which is why I absolutely love the Clinique Black Honey Lip Balm. It's actually a lip balm or a lipstick, whatever you want to call it, but it's really hydrating and gives my lips a natural pink glow, which I love. Now last but not the least, you always have to carry a pick-me-up, especially for days when your skin is not behaving, it's irritated, it's clogged, or you have an acne breakout that nobody wants, especially not during Fashion Week. And for that, I love using this Innisfree Super Volcanic Clay Mask. And last but not the least, in my skincare edition, actually this is not skincare, this is just personal care, is a nice perfume because you're gonna meet a lot of people and hug them during Fashion Week. You need to smell your best. And I've absolutely been loving this perfume by Police. It is so cute. I love the packaging with the skull and the tattoos imprinted all over it. It's really cute. And the best part is, you smell like $1 million when you wear it. And now let's move on to the fun part, which is makeup. For that, I'm going to sit down because there is a lot that I need to talk about. Okay, let's start with base makeup. Now, if your base is not right in Fashion Week, it is going to show. Everybody's going to get to know because there are a lot of harsh lights and you're going to be photographed left, right, and center. And that is why I absolutely love this foundation. This is the Shiseido Synchro Skin Self-Refreshing Foundation. Honestly, it is a revolution because it literally sits so well on your skin and it refreshes itself. It has this science that basically adapts to your skin's barrier and it just looks flawless all day long. Highly recommend this one. Now let's not kid ourselves. You are going to have many sleepless nights if you're attending Fashion Week because it is very hectic and you need a very good concealer to cover up those under eyes and those dark circles. So I have been loving the Milani Conceal and Perfect Longwear Concealer. It is so pigmented and affordable at the same time, which is a win-win. So definitely check this out. Now when they say your brow should be on fleek, it is so much more true for Fashion Week because literally everything needs to be on fleek, and that's why I would recommend trying a really nice brow product like the L'Oreal Brow Artist Genius Kit. It is long lasting, super pigmented, and again very affordable. Now they say your eyes are windows to your soul, but I say your eyes are windows to your creative expression, and that's why you need products that really lift your eye game up. And that's why I've been loving the Anastasia Beverly Hills Mascara and the Maybelline Line Tattoo High Impact Liner. Both of these products have super high pigment. This one curls your lashes like a dream and this one wings it out like a dream. So both are amazing. Guys, before you actually end up asking me in the comment section where did I get all of this stuff from, all of this is available on SSBeauty, and I've literally picked all of these lipstick shades from there because most of them are unavailable or out of stock, because these are some of MAC's and Estee Lauder's best sellers that I have absolutely loved for years now, and I had to carry them for Fashion Week because you can never go wrong with a nice red, with a nice nude and a nice pink. Okay, what else do we have here? Highlighter. Very important because you, girl, need to glow, or guy actually, whoever's attending Fashion Week, your highlighter needs to pop. You need to be spotted from a distance to make a difference. And I love the Bobbi Brown highlighting powder in the shade Pink Glow. It's stunning. Just try it out. And last but not the least, you need a great setting spray, guys. And this one actually primes your skin also, so you can use it as a primer, as a setting spray, or just as a refreshing mist, which is all the things you would need for Fashion Week because you know you have multiple outfit changes and you need your makeup to stay all day long. So this one from Smashbox is a winner. So yeah guys, that's about it from my suitcase for Fashion Week. I hope you guys got some really good tips and also product recommendations, all of which you can actually shop for from SSBeauty. Also guys, of course, do not forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like this, and yeah, hit the like button and share all your comments down below so we can create more such content for you. For now, I need to get my beauty sleep for Fashion Week because I have more days to go. See you!